Plan. They're planning to start a business. Focus. He focuses hard on solving the puzzle. Analyze. She analyzes the data carefully. Evaluate. He evaluates each option before deciding. Examine. The doctor will examine your injury. Study. They study together for the big test. Teach. She teaches the class with excitement. Solve. He solves the puzzle in no time. Calculate. She calculates the total cost. Measure. He measures the length with a ruler. Choose. They choose a book from the shelf. Reflect. She reflects on her day before bed. Reason. He reasons through the puzzle calmly. Memorize. I memorize words for the spelling test. Discuss. They discuss ideas around a table. Explore. She explores the forest with curiosity. Research. He researches animals for his project. Explain. I explain the rules to my friend. Compare. We compare two drawings side by side. Summarize. She summarizes the story in 3 sentences.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the content, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.